Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if brightness slider is not showing up on your Windows 11, this is a brightness slider on your Windows 11 and that is missing on your Windows. So in this video I will show you how to fix this issue easily. So step number 1, this is inbuilt feature in Windows 11 and this comes pre-installed in Windows operating system. So basically you need to click on start menu, then click on settings icon, and then you need to go to system, and inside the system option you should able to get your display option, and here you can see the brightness option. Here you can right click also and choose the display setting directly, and you should be able to see this option if that is missing from here. But if it is gray out here and you are not able to turn it bright or turn it off, so in this video how I will show you how to fix it. Now step number 1 or the step number 2 is to open the device manager. Simply type here device manager, and once you type here the device manager, you need to go to display adapter here. Expand the display adapter, and thereafter you should able to see your graphic card driver. Here you need to right click on it, connect to internet, then choose this option update driver automatically, search automatically this, and this will try to install the correct and latest driver on your Windows. And once it is done, if it is asking to restart your window, just restart your Windows and check back if that is able to fix your issue or not. If that is unable to fix your issue, what you can do is you can right click on the same driver and this time go to its properties, and before, if it was working fine, go to drivers and simply you need to click on rollback driver. Sometime what happens that latest driver can cause this issue with the new Windows update due to incompatibility issues. Just roll back it, choose the any option that is not working properly, and thereafter you need to click on apply OK, and you might have to restart your Windows if it is asking. If it is not asking, then leave it and check if that is able to fix your issue or not. If still not, what you can do is you can right click here and simply uninstall this. Do not tick this option to delete the driver, just click on uninstall, and once you uninstall this, you have to restart your Windows. And once you restarted your Windows, on the restart up, your window will automatically find the correct driver for your manufacturer and will install the driver for you. Additionally, you can also update the monitor driver. That is up to you how you can do it. Two ways to do it: search automatically, and once you have done this, restart your Windows and check if that is able to fix your issue or not. If that is unable to fix your issue, this happens sometime due to Windows corruption. Open the CMD, run it as admin, and type this command sfc /scan now. This is the first command. Now the next command is dism command. Just open the dism command. This is the dism command. This is for restore health. This command you need to copy. You can see this command directly here, and once this command is completed, come back again here, enter this command, and I will give these two commands into my description box. Simply you need to paste both command here, and once you have done these commands, you have to again restart your Windows, and it should able to fix your issue, since these issues may occur due to Windows corruption. So this is the step number 3 on your Windows. If that is also unable to fix your issue, what you can do is you go to here, settings, then Windows update, and make sure your window is up to date. Green tick should be showing up here. If any pending update is showing up here, just click on install all and download all the pending updates on your window. Additionally, what you can do is, if this issue is occurring after you have updated your windows, you can go to update history, and once you see update history, click on uninstall updates and uninstall the latest update from your windows. All the updates recently you have made on your windows, just uninstall them and restart your windows, and your issue will be fixed after that. Additionally, you can go back here, then go to driver updates, advanced options, optional updates, click that option, then click on driver updates and install the all the drivers as well from here along with the update here. These are the optional drivers, but those will be good for your operating system and will fix your issue.